Tonight for Travel and Leisure Asia, I'm staying in the newly refurbished Royce Hotel in Melbourne. Now, it's been given that name because it used to be the home to the Rolls-Royce showroom here in Melbourne, back when Melbourne was known as Marvellous Melbourne. It's even got a new bar and restaurant called Showroom Bar. Let's go take a look.
When you come to a place like this, you need to get glammed up. We were treated to the set menu with a glass of Tattinger champagne just to start. The showroom, it really is pure opulence. And wandering around the marbled staircase and beneath the chandeliers feels like you're walking into a Gatsby party. The decadence of the Royce is in the decor and the stunning renovation. The suites are generous with views, and the bathrooms make you never want to leave. This really is a throwback to the golden age of hotels. There was a time when Melbourne was the richest city in the whole world, where indulgence was encouraged and opulence expected. The Royce celebrates this in its rooms, its service and its willingness to embrace its history. And if you make it down for breakfast, it's not too bad either.